Hello Snowflake engineers and welcome to the video. If you don't know me, I am Sujit Nair, a cloud data architect. I am also a Snowflake Snowpro certified professional. In today's video, I will be covering certification question related to Snowpro. Let's begin.
What is used during the first execution of select count star from order? I'll give you a few seconds to try and answer this question. If you need additional time, please use the pause button. And the right answer to this question is metadata based result. Now let's jump into a demo to try and see if this is accurate. I'm going to start off by creating a target database. The second thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to alter the session to try and turn off the caches. So I'm going to turn off the session cache, I'm going to turn off the user cache, and I'm going to turn off the cache at the account level. So by doing this, we have ensured that there is no caching that can occur. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a orders table from Snowflake sample data. And finally, as the question asks us, I'm going to do a select count star from orders. So let's try and take a look at the query profile. Now if you remember, I turned the cache off, and now what you can see here is that metadata based result is being returned. And if I go here, this is the answer we selected, metadata based result. So we have selected the right answer.